Yo guys, we're back another week here. Market is not looking good. Um, but I am interested in taking some longs here on oil. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just because this is what we're looking at. See, we're about to break this. We're breaking it actually. So I take just a couple. Um, Nothing crazy. Oil moves a lot slower, so it's nothing crazy here in oil. Yeah, oil moves very slow. So I am not interested in the Nasdaq at all whatsoever, um, and I'll show you why, guys. Because this is the Nasdaq right now. Um, it's literally like no entries. We just dumped, and then here is just nothing. I have no entries here. Like this is just like this is great, but there's nothing here that I can like. I would have to go back to the daily all the way over here try to find some kind of support, which was this 132, which broke. So now now we're just hanging in the middle, and the next support I have is 905, 900s. So we're just hanging there. So I have no reason to take anything there at the Nasdaq right now. And this was back from August. Oh wait, no, where's that? This is from September. This is from August. Um, so yeah, I have nothing here to take. It's just chilling. I was thinking of maybe taking some shorts around here if it comes back here and take some shorts. Um, from here, you guys can see here. Um, from there, which would be that GP, and you have um, a resistance. So that's what I like to take. But that's about it. Nothing else. But let's see what's in this. We'll see what's in this oil. Still like it. Um, so we'll look at this oil, see if we can do it. So you can hopefully can push. If I it hit a couple of times here, once, twice, three, four times. So I'm hoping this can break and we can really push. And honestly, what I really would want to see is kind of around there. But we'll see. Only two, as you can see, oil moves very slow. Um, so this I can have it and just not worry about it too much. So that's what I will do for now. Let me see what's going on with Nasdaq. Um, yeah, if you can get up here, guys, I'll take a short. I'll take a stab at the. Looks like we're getting there, so yeah, I'll take a stab just with one because last week, as you guys saw in the last video, kind of didn't do so well on that last trade, so I want to just take it slow. I haven't taken any trades yet, but this is where I want to take a short maybe around here, maybe add a second one here, and if not, if it starts breaking this, then we're done. But not interested in taking anything else. Oil, we're doing good. Look, we're up $16, so that's good. Again, I'm not really worried about oil. Like I said, it takes its time. It just goes. Let me write this in the here in the micros. Yeah. So around there is where I probably take one short. But besides that, not much, guys. I might not even take I mean, besides the oil trade, which look, it's working pretty well now. We're breaking. Look at that. Huh, cool. We're breaking there. Yeah. So that, again, that's where I really want. 70, 81. That's where I really would want to hit. Make that money. I'm gonna leave that around $50. That's pretty good. Risking $50 to make 122. I'll leave that. Hopefully we come back and we can push there. But that's about it, guys. I don't really have anything else right now. Like I said here, that's the only thing that I'm seeking to take maybe. And look, it didn't even hit the first GP right there, the 61.80%. It's already coming down, so I might not take any trades on the Nasdaq at all. The other thing I was looking at was gold, but I kind of missed the play there on gold. But yeah, I mean, this is nasty. I was looking to take a longs here at this 31.39 level, which it did bounce around 8 points or so, but then it came back down. Look, so again, there's no entries for me here. It's nice. It looks nice, but there's no entries, so I can't do anything. Look at oil, guys. We're booming. It's pushing. Nice. Nice. I like it. Hopefully, can push up. Oh, what do we do here? There we go. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. That first hit right there. I mean, I would love to see this go up to kind of like there. That's 71.58, but we'll wait. We'll take that if it comes back. We'll be happy with that. If you get, actually, let's put limit sell right there. Won't be crazy. Well, we're up almost $50. Just so because in case it hits us, I want to take a partial or whatnot. So, yeah. And then let's keep looking at the Nasdaq. Running up here, guys. So I might take one again. Since I have that oil position, maybe I'll just take one and not add at all. So let's see if you look at this entry. This was kind of where, let's see, 50 minutes. Yeah, right there was kind of where, yeah, 143. I'll take a small loss here, no big deal. So let's wait and see what happens here. Yeah, we can push around here, guys. That's where I'll take the first. I'll put it right there. There we go. Yeah, if it starts going up, I know I'll take the loss, but again, it hasn't even hit this level or this level yet. So look at oil, guys. We're up $60. Nice. Nothing else. Nothing else. I haven't even taken any minis plays or anything like that because it's just not there, guys. And I'm not gonna risk taking minis in this market right now. Only hit the first one. Let's see if we can push up. Pushing there. Let's look at oil. Look at that, guys. We're pushing. That was a great trade. All right, let's move this up. If it comes back down, I'll take. There you go. I'm not taking a loss here. I'm very intrigued to actually take a partial right here, which would give us what, $30. I think we just keep pushing. That's the thing, though. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, it's at limit sell is right perfect where it should hit. So let's leave it. We have our stop at break even. So if it comes back down and hits us, it hits us. But I like it there. Yeah. We'll leave that there, guys. We'll keep that playing. Let's see how we're doing in Nasdaq over here. You haven't gotten filled yet. Nope, not yet. It hit that and then it came back down. So no, it's getting there. It's getting there little by little. But not yet. Or maybe that was the entry right there. That white line that I drew, and then now it's gonna come back down. We'll see. Hmm. Nothing else happening, guys. Market is actually I was looking at ES. That's what I was looking at. Yeah, very similar, obviously, to Nasdaq, but this one actually it's actually a little better because it went up. Look, it hit that high, and then it's coming back down. So that would have actually been a better entry. See, came back all the way there, and then it's coming down, which is kind of that. See, would have been a better entry. I don't usually play ES, not as much. I haven't been looking with it, so I tend to stick with the Nasdaq, but I'm always open to finding whatever might happen. So yeah, no. That looks like that was the entry, guys. Look at that. We did drop a good amount. 20 points now. Would have been a nice mini contract there, guys. All right, I'm gonna close out here. And I'll keep this there. As you can see, I still have two of the oils, just because I don't want to make this longer than it should. If we start to get close to it, I'll come back on and I'll show you it gets filled. Hopefully we'll get filled in both of these, and then we'll be up a good amount. I'll leave this here. I just don't want to make this video forever just looking at the charts and not doing anything yet. The only thing I will come back on is for either if that oil is about to hit, or if this comes back and we're around here, and I'll take a short and then I'll put it up. But besides that, we'll see you later. Alright guys, we're back. Still in that oil position. Nothing's changed, but Nasdaq is finally hitting this GP right here, which I like. Starting to push up, so it is kind of a falling knife kind of play. So I still like it, but I am going to take one. I think I do like it here, going from here to here. We'll see if we'll take a small loss. No big deal here, but I do like it here to see if we can try to fall down again. So I'm gonna take one. If we start breaking up here, like to this levels right there, that's probably what I'll get out, just because I don't want to do anything bigger like that. So let's take one, and we'll see what happens. Again, my stop loss probably like right there. Probably even there. Yeah. Anything starts to break above around here, I'm out. I'm not looking for anything crazy, especially because I have the other oil position. So that's where I would like to see if we can hit that back right here, which is like that 50% just above it. So we'll see. I'm not adding another one because I have the oil position, and because I don't want to take a big loss. Market's kind of iffy right now, so I will gladly just take a small loss here and keep with my oil position. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, oil moves a lot fast. I mean, Nasdaq moves a lot faster. What's going on with oil? Oil's pushing. Look at that, guys. Oil's pushing here. We're almost there. Wow, up 16. Perfect. You're gonna keep the. Actually, let's move this up. I'm gonna move this up to like there. If it comes back down, yeah, like I really wanna push, but it's little by little. Going on with Nasdaq. Came back down, but it's not pushing. If you can get below this, like see this 68% and this area here, if you can get below it, I'll move my stop loss to almost like right here, But we need to really break this and come back down. But it says, we are going to go against this small little trend here, as you can see. So we're hoping this to break and come back down, test this level right here. See this kind of how it's trying to break. Finally it broke, then retested, then it went up. So if not, I'll take the small loss, because even if it goes up here, I just don't want to take a big loss on this. Hopefully we can come back down. We shall see. We shall see. Oh, there we go. Nice drop. But it's just getting eaten up by the longs here. Yeah. I might get out of this early, guys. I just don't like it. It gets all these little candles, even though it's 1 minute. See, they're all getting eaten up. Like, This would have been nice for this to come out and break this and hold below right here and then kind of be there and then go. But let's see. Come on. If you can jump, break it up below here. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for right there. That level right there. There we go. Not taking it. That's my stop loss. Yep, $20. And let's not get greedy. So we can get nice to here. Actually, see, this is where the volume profile is. That's where it might bounce. So we're looking for it there. And yeah, $2, guys. If it comes back and hits us, we're done. Not trying to get greedy. And I don't want to take a loss on this. So now it's a free trade. Hopefully it comes back down. This is what I'm looking for. Right there. Up $100 now on both of those trades. Might hit us. Let's see. I only took one, so I can't take a partial, guys. So. Oh, you got hit, guys. $2. It covered the fees. But maybe somebody would have said, oh, I should have taken a, a profit route around here, or maybe kept your stop loss here. Yeah, but the market's kind of crazy right now. We are going against the trend, so we don't want to get crazy and because here it might actually break down and come back down. Look, it might test this again, but break even on that trade, guys. No big deal. We'll see. We'll come back to that. Let's see what's going on with oil because we're up $75 on oil. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a partial here, actually, guys. Just because it might hit this here, but I think I'm going to take one here. Yeah, I had it very close to it, so let's put it there. Hopefully it can get filled. We'll get filled in that and one, and then we'll have one to just keep it running. I'll put my stop loss there. Guys, NASDAQ is now falling. Oh, man. Remember, we were trying to get out around here or here? No, here. Around here, yeah. Look, it's finally breaking down. Came back, made that. But see, it's all kind of choppy. That's why. Maybe we should have kept our stop loss here, but I really didn't want to take a loss. So, that's why. I think that was an okay trade. It is what it is. Sometimes you just don't get hit. But it looks like it might gonna come down. No problem. This is still oil right here. See, you still have two of them. So hopefully it's gonna hit. And then we'll get out with them. But that's about it, guys. There's nothing really else that I really want to play. It's just the market's just not there. And when it's not there, I just don't want to take another trade. It's just, maybe we should have taken the small little $30 to $40 that we had on the NASDAQ, but it is what it is. See, look at this. See, look at this. Now NASDAQ is really forming this. It never came back down to hit that we were looking for. So good thing we got out there. Yeah, see, it never came back down to hit that. Now it's starting to form, and this looks like it might break up. So that's fine. It is what it is. We tried. I don't even know what's going on over here. This is just the one to go. What are we at? 7.2 or whatever it is. What's it? This put it there. Oh, perfect. Got one filled there, guys. So we have one left. I'm moving this up there. There we go. Oh, now we're pushing. Perfect. Look at oil now. Oh, should have kept it. It maybe would have been good. Yeah, we're moving this up here. $30 up, $44. Can we get another 60 there? We'll hit that. We'll get out. We'll probably make around close to like $80, $90 or something. Nothing crazy, but let's see what we can do. That was a nice push. I like that volume coming in. If it comes like it hits us, yeah, I'm not trying to lose more. What's going on with gold? Let's see what's going on with gold. hit that there, and nothing really. Yeah, nothing going on here in oil. Wow, guys. Now it came down. It made this nice candle thinking it was going to jump. And look at that. I think that was our exit right there, guys, right? I think we were here eventually before, and then we moved it up there. Look, it would have hit us now. That's a bummer. That very bummer, because I think our entry was right there, and we had a stop loss right there. Maybe I should have kept the stop loss there. I just didn't want to take a loss, guys. And I moved it to break even, and it hit our break even, and it did this, and then now look. And I think we were here, so that would have worked out. It is what it is, guys. You can't win them all. And unfortunately, this market is not great right now. There's not a lot of entries, so it might come back down. It's a bummer. That is definitely a bummer. And look where it hit the highs, basically. That 70% GP. Look at that, guys. Right there on the money. You would have taken that and you would have just held like we did, you know, but what are you going to do? It is what it is. Let's just keep going up. You can get a nice little push up to that 60 and 37 will give us 97. We'll get $100 today. We'll be at close to very close to 500 now. So that would be nice. And then we'll probably end it there just because how much else to do, guys? You just don't want to just sit here all day and do nothing. Look at that. Now it's just dropping. Bummer, guys. But that's trading for you. Sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't. And this one we had it right. I moved it. It was my fault because I moved the stop loss to break even, maybe to leaving it right there where it should have that new highs. But what are you gonna do? That's it's unfortunate. At least we didn't take a red trade. So yeah. Well, it's pretty close to hitting us now. Look at that. Once we broke, he just went. Like it. Really pushing now. Again, that's why I really wanted to hit that 60. So now we're secured 32. We are around 47, so it's a $15. And from here to it's $10. So yeah, I guess we want to move up to like there now. You want to do less and less risk, you know, because well, right now we're trying to get another $10. Yeah, $10. So you really want to risk, you know, like $10. You don't want to risk more than that. You want to risk this $10 to make these $10. I might even just take it here and screw the $10 just because it's moving so slow, and I'm not one to wait. So see if you can hit us that new high right there. Then I'll get out. It comes back and hits us. Now we'll close the position there, guys. That was a good trade, but $10. It's not a big deal just to wait another $10. We'll take the trade there.
Order filled.
We'll take it. The $83 back to 433 there. That was a very good trade, guys. On the oil. Check one more time on Nasdaq. Yeah, that was my fault. I fumbled there, guys. That was a perfect entry, and I got out too soon. Moved the stop loss too soon, and look at that. We're just going now, especially with this candle. It is what it is, guys. But I think that's it for today. If anything else, I'll come back, but I don't think so. I will catch you next time.